gas in that?
No, it's only just a little bit.
Alright, well, okay.
Probably just a quarter. That's why it keeps dying out probably.
Right. I'll pick this shit up. Let me go in and I'll see him real quick.
See, he has any gas.
Oh no, I ain't fucking with it now. Put a battery in my truck.
Dad, can I bring the thing over there home? Dad?
Huh?
Can I bring that little thing over there home?
What thing?
That plastic thing.
What is it?
That little kid thing.
Why?
I'm gonna use it for something. Nah, I'm gonna get Grandpa back the key.
Put the key right in it.
Alright. Got the llama running, guys. Huh? I'm getting a video of you. Got a YouTube channel going. Yeah? Ooh, what song is that? That's a good song, yo. 80s country. Oh, Sean, listen. I'm taking that little thing over there home. That little thing. What does it say, Sean?
Battery low.
Really, you mother... Battery's low, so I won't be using battery. What the hell? Wait a second.
Now it works?
Go on my YouTube channel.
My audio wasn't working earlier. Name?
BP3 space DAW